Have you ever brought up XRP in a conversation and immediately got hit with pushback? You know the drill. Someone says, nobody's ever going to adopt that. What does it even do? Well, today we're breaking it down so you can explain XRP in simple, real-world terms that anyone can understand, and why it's going to completely change payments forever. We've all been there. You discover a new technology, something you know is revolutionary. You see the potential. You invest a little, you're excited. You share it with friends, families, mentors, and what happens? Blank stares. But here's the thing, XRP isn't just crypto magic internet money. It's infrastructure. It's about transforming how money moves globally, just like how the internet transformed how we send information. Let's start simple. Almost everyone today uses PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Wise, or Zelle. When you get paid, you have two options: transfer instantly but pay a fee, or wait 2 to 3 days for free. Now imagine this. What if instant was always free? And what if you could send money directly from PayPal to Venmo or from Zelle to Cash App seamlessly? That's what XRP does. It's the bridge. It connects siloed ecosystems and allows value to move instantly across platforms for fractions of a penny. Think of it as the universal protocol for money. For older generations, here's the analogy I always use. Remember when sending letters was the only option? It cost money. It took days, and you could only send within your ecosystem. Then came email. Suddenly you could send unlimited messages across AOL, Yahoo, Gmail instantly for free. That's XRP for payments. Just like email killed snail mail, XRP and digital assets are about to kill friction in money transfers. Today, international wires can take up to 5 days and cost a fortune. XRP makes settlement real-time, near-free, and borderless. That means workers can get paid by the hour or even by the minute. Micropayments like streaming money in real time become possible. Businesses can operate faster, more efficiently, and at lower costs. This increases the velocity of money, and when money moves faster, economies grow. So next time someone asks, what does XRP even do? Tell them this. It's the protocol that turns money into what email did for communication: instant, borderless, and frictionless. That's why XRP matters. That's why the future of payments is about to be transformed. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this with someone who still doesn't get XRP, because the world is about to. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.